Level 5, Lesson 3, Prepositions 2 verses 4. 2 and 4 are two of the most common prepositions we use in English. However, it can be quite confusing to know when and how to use each one. These are small words, but they sure seem to cause a lot of problems. Using them incorrectly can easily mark your English as less fluent. Use 2 when there is movement or transfer occurring. Use 4 when something benefits something or someone. Or use 4 to identify the purpose or reason why something happens. Let's look at some of the common ways to use 4 and 2. 2 is used for destination. We went to Disney World for the first time last year. Telling time. It is 10 minutes to 2 p.m. Distance. From here to the store, it's about 8 blocks. Comparisons. The score was 25 to 23 at half time. Or, I prefer cooking to cleaning. And giving. They gave the trophy to the winning team. 2. What time is it? It's 5 to midnight. Last weekend, we went to the beach. From one end of the city to the other, it takes an hour by car. You can't compare me to him. Who gave the new bike to David? 4 is used for benefits. Whole grains and green vegetables are good for your health. Duration. We have known each other for 5 years. Schedule. He made the reservation for 7 p.m. on Friday. And agree with. I am for using green energy to stop climate change. Favors. Could you take out the trash for me? Function with verb ing form. Mnemonic devices are used for remembering words and concepts more easily. 4. I'm all for required yearly vacations. Could you buy some apples for me? Exercising for 90 minutes a week is important for your health. The exam is scheduled for Monday, March 11th. And what are maps used for? Both are used for motives or reasons, but the meaning changes. For the verb to, I bought ice cream to you. So I picked up ice cream and physically gave it to you. Or I moved to the city to marry my boyfriend. I moved in order to get married. The noun, for. I bought ice cream for you. I bought and paid for ice cream that I gave to you. I moved to the city for love. The reason I moved was love. Okay, some examples. Who are those chocolates for? I'm going to give them to my girlfriend. I made a reservation at a fancy restaurant for our anniversary. I made a reservation at a fancy restaurant to celebrate our anniversary. We played soccer for 2 hours on Sunday. What would you do for love?